we can do our multiply, divide, add, subtract, just like this. So if you see these things on the internet that show, 8 plus, and then 8 times 3 minus 4, and what's the answer? Well, you know what? If you type that into Excel, you'll always get the right answer because Excel uses those arithmetic function order, which is parentheses, exponentiation, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction in that order. So if I say equals B30 plus A30 divided by A42, it's going to divide A30 by A42. And see the dollar signs? That means every place I copy this, it's going to divide that by A42. That is a fixed location. Anytime we put a dollar sign in a formula for a cell location, that indicates that that's a fixed location. So if I put $A, $42, then every place that I copy that, it's going to come back to that cell to do the division. If I were to put $A42, then it would always use column A in the 42nd row to do that product, no matter how far to the right I copied it. If I put $42, it would always use the column A, and then whatever that cell number was, it would copy that across. So it would change every row, but it would always divide by that first column, A. So let's illustrate that. We're going to copy this down. And anytime you don't understand what a formula is doing exactly, I can go to formulas up here in this and evaluate the formula. And now that shows me what a formula is. And it says, okay, what's evaluate? Well, the first term is 28. And the second term is 38 divided by 340. And if I evaluate again, it's going to say that 38 divided by 340 is 0.11764. And then finally evaluate it. That comes out to what the answer is in this formula. Now, handy thing to know, if your formula keeps giving you an error, you can use this function to find out where the error is, because it will evaluate it until it gets to the error and then show you where that error is. That's very handy if you're trying to write a complex formula particularly.